few weeks ago, one of my subscribers reached out to me about a project that he called a wild experiment. Doug is the audiovisual designer in residence at Cincinnati's No Theatre, and he thought about a way of bringing some joy to people in quarantine. So he strapped a projector to his Honda and started driving around his neighborhood in the early night hours, projecting visuals onto people's houses. And Doug asked me if I wanted to participate with some visuals right at the moment when I was supporting a project that, due to the pandemic, lost its stage. There's that lovely bunch of kids who, with their teacher Bettina from the Club Tanz, it's a section of Hanover State Opera, and usually every year in summer they perform what they worked on over the season. Not this year. Everybody had to stay at home, so they filmed themselves so we could create an online experience for the audience. As every kid has a smartphone nowadays, or at least their parents have, we thought about utilizing the sensors in those smartphones and record the movements. We had the kids download a free app, and Bettina created a choreography for one arm, which the kids recorded in their Hanover homes and sent it to me in Stuttgart. Every smartphone is packed with a ton of sensors for movement, rotation, and so much more. If you want to record dance, it's wise to use a high frequency, which will result in an insane amount of data, but it's really worth it. So this is the data grabbed from the movements of the sensors at 100 Hz. Now all you have to do is feed this data into a moderately complex composition in touchdesigner, use it as particle emitters, and hope the frame rate isn't dropping too much, which it did, of course. Our composer, Maywen, wrote a track that perfectly fits the spacey ambient we wanted, and so we sent over the result to Cincinnati, where it's now part of an idea that makes people a little happier in an otherwise quite depressing reality. Check out Doug's Facebook page, I'll link it below, and if you're in Cincinnati, well, nice to meet you. Also consider subscribing if you like this or any other of my videos, and I'll see you soon.